Creations, and today we are going to be doing a review for ECBASKET's electric drill. As you can see, here's the box. This is the drill I received. It's portable, quiet, light, and convenient. Variable speed control, only for professional use, manicure and pedicure. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this done. Okay, and here is the nail drill that we have up for review. Here's the handpiece, and really easy to remove your bits for release. And there you go. Okay. We have the hand section here. We have our direction for forward, reverse, power is on, power off, control for the hand or foot, and the control for the variable speed. We also have for our power outage 110 DC volts, sorry, and our foot control pedal. I myself use the foot control. I find it's more convenient for myself. Okay. We also have a user's manual, pretty easy to put together, not a problem at all. Okay, so it does have a maximum speed of 30,000 RPMs, rotations per minute. So that's a pretty good speed there. I myself never use it that high. Okay, so for today's review, I'm going to go ahead and remove this top gel that I have here on my finger, and we'll see how it does. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is turn it on. Make sure that I have it on foot control. There we go. And foot. Well, okay, and that's on for the hand control. It is on. Okay. Very, very quiet. Turning it up. Okay, that's at 30 RPM, sir. Okay, very nice. Really enjoying this. Okay, so back down to 0. Let's go to foot control. Okay, off here. And there we go. You can turn up your dial. And foot control. Very nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this down. Usually to remove gel, it's up between a 4 and a 5 for myself. I'll go ahead and start at 5. Okay. Okay, there we have it. I'll remove. Oops. Very nice drill. I would definitely recommend this. Very, very nice. Definitely a wise investment. Very nice drill. Okay, lovelies. Thank you again and see you next time.